What's up, my young viewers? Kamusta? I am just so happy because I just got monetized in just few hours. Yes, you heard it right, guys. Just few hours, I got monetized. Not one day, but only for a few hours. Wanna know the secret? Hello, madlang viewers! If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so and ring the bell to be notified for my next video. Thank you! In this video, I will tell you how I got monetized in just few hours. Watch this! And now, how to get monetized. First of all, we have to meet the two requirements the YouTube team requires from us. At least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours for the past 12 months. Just a tip, guys. If you are about to apply for monetization, you have to clean your YouTube channel. I will share with you 4 tips. First, go to the YouTube studio and check for any restrictions. If you have any copyright claims, mute the song or replace them. And for the second tip, remove all the likely spam messages in your YouTube studio. For the third tip, put thumbnails in all your videos. Fourth tip, put a hashtag in each video. If you're doing a live streaming, for example, you can do like live streaming #1, live streaming #2, live stream. And so, after you met the 2 most important requirements YouTube requires from us, then you are now eligible to apply for monetization. The steps are: three steps for channel monetization. Step 1. Review partner program terms. Click Start. It will show you the page of the YouTube Partner Program Terms and Conditions. If you have read and understood everything on it, tick the box underneath. Then it will go to Step 2, which is the sign up for Google AdSense. Click Start. You will be redirected to AdSense to complete these steps. Okay, because there will be a form. You need an AdSense account to start monetizing and get paid. You have to fill up all the forms that is written there in the Google AdSense form. You will be given 3 choices in the rectangular box. Yes, I have an existing account, blah blah blah. No, I blah blah blah. And the third one is I don't know. If you really don't know that you have an account or whatever, just click I don't know to be safe, okay? Then press continue. Complete the form and tick the box. Yes, I have read and accept the agreement. Click create account underneath. And for the faster way to get approved by this Google AdSense, this is the trick. For the secret weapon to get your Google AdSense approved in just few hours. In the lower left corner of the YouTube studio, there is an icon underneath the settings, which is the send feedback. click it. It will go directly to the Send Feedback page. In the Send Feedback page, you need to compose a message. Like greetings or like good day, like hi there, something like that. Hi there, I recently met your requirements of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. I was just checking if there's anything additional, you need something from me for the review. Here is the attached screenshot of the review of my numbers.
Few moments later. A few inches later.
Ayan, share ko na po sa inyo ang mga steps, tips at ang tip para mapabilis po ma-approve ang inyong YouTube channel. Thank you for watching! Hi guys! Hello! What's up, madam viewers? And now to share with you 4 tips on how to clean your